Welcome back to the segment that I love to talk about, celebrities. And one of my favorite celebrities, well, my husband's really favorite celebrity is Michael Jackson. So much so that our son is named after Michael Jackson. But as you know, Megan, I love to talk about estate planning, and I love to look at how our stars did their estate plan. I love to critique it because I love to learn from other people's mistakes, and I don't want to make them. I learn so that I don't make it, and I show them to you so hopefully you also don't make them. So Michael Jackson, I have to take my hat off to him. He did create an estate plan. He created a trust. He made his children, Prince, Blanket and Paris, as well as his mom, beneficiaries of that trust. You know, in the trust, he made sure that it points to the fact that she must be taken care of, her expenses paid, and so that she lives a reasonably comfortable life. But guess what Michael did not do? Michael did not fund the trust. If you listen to any of my webinars, I tell you all the time, an unfunded trust is like an empty pen. State-of-the-art, wonderful gold, 100% 24 karat gold pen. But if the 24 karat gold pen doesn't have any ink, it's a useless piece of nothing. And that's exactly what Michael Jackson had. Unfortunately, he had a wonderful document that was no good than to just basically hold up some furniture. So he passed away, his trust wasn't funded, and so his entire estate still ended up in probate. You see, unless you take the property and place it in the trust, you pass away and your estate still has to be probated. So you spend thousands of dollars setting up this trust, laying in it what you want to have happen. But if you don't take the property and put it in the trust, you just wasted your time. And that's exactly what happened. You know, when Michael Jackson passed, a lot of people may be thinking, oh, he's a star. He's sold hundreds of millions of albums over the years. He's been singing before he could even speak properly. And so, yes, he sold thousands of albums, and he had dozens of singles making #1 on the charts. However, when he passed away, he had $500 million worth of debt. Yes, but what the beautiful thing about Michael Jackson's estate is that it rebounded after he passed away, being worth over $1 billion. Believe me, people will fight over $1. Therefore, they fought really long and hard, about 12 years, for Michael Jackson's $1 billion. Even the IRS was in it. The IRS had valued his estate at about $111 million. At the time, they were saying his estate is worth absolutely nothing because he was in debt. But by the time everything was resolved, about 12 years later, remember, Michael Jackson died June 25th, 2009. I remember that because it's a significant date in my life. And his estate took that long to be resolved. His children had to be getting a stipend from the estate in order to live. And so if there's one thing that you should take away from Michael Jackson, well, many things apart from his moonwalk. But apart from that, if you create a trust, fund the trust. An empty trust is a worthless instrument. My name is Megan Truick, and if you want to talk about your trust and how to properly fund it, reach out to us. We're at www.brianfagan.com/estate planning, or go ahead, like this video, follow us for more just like this. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.